Good afternoon, everyone. Uh, Today we are going to show you how to solder a curve, a vertical and horizontal one. Okay, so beginning, what you need is steel hood pads. You can find in any plumbing shop. Flux, right? And then lead free. This one I use this at the moment, but you can find this cost around £10, 11 pounds. And the material. Right, so beginning, what we have to do, take this wall pad, clean the pipe, make sure you clean properly, otherwise the lid free it won't stack. Okay, so you see now it's nice and shiny. Okay, then we do the other one. So now it's ready to solder. If you don't have this, instead you can use this, like by putting inside and scraping, and then also with this one you use to clean inside. If it's 22 mm pipe, use this. The same thing with this. If it's 22 mm pipe, alright. So we are soldering 15 mm pipe. So we put this in here, like this. Then also make sure you clean this inside, so like this the lid it will stay on it. Then what you have to do with the glitter brush, put on here. Okay, then put this inside, and then this put more flux in here. Okay, that's it. Then so we'll insert this pipe into this tube. Make sure the tube is go in smoothly. When it's in, do like half turn into it. Okay, then make sure you have the torch. Alright, so you turn it on. One thing I forgot to say, the lid you have to do like this. So basically we use it like this for the place. If you solder behind here, let's say there is a wall, you can't see it, so you just put inside here, so you're sure that the lid it go in. Alright, so let's begin to solder. Okay, then at the end of it, now we see that if you look under here, there is like, you see the lid has gone through down here, so it means everything has passed through. When it's like this, it's soldered 100%. Alright, then at the end of it, take a wet cloth and then stuck on it, so clean it like this. And then it's a bit hot still. If you will look under here, so the lid has gone through all around here, and then we're done. Thank you very much for watching today. Make sure you subscribe, and then if anything you want to know, just write any comment. Thank you.